so I'm covered in drywall dust. But yes, I'm going to show you my makeup room so far. I filmed a little bit of me painting the primer, but I will show you. So that is the walls with the coat of primer on it. Drywall's really porous, so I didn't want to have to do like 3 or 4 coats of paint. So I prepped the walls to be painted. I'm gonna paint them either tomorrow if I have enough paint, or I will do the knockdown ceiling. I don't want to run out of paint and then get a new bucket and then the color's off. So I would rather wait until this shutdown, lockdown thing is over and get another bucket and then mix them together to get the right color that I need. So I don't get half the walls done and then the other walls are a different color. But yeah, so the ceiling is prepped for the knockdown. The walls are prepped for paint. So we shall see if I get to do walls or ceiling tomorrow. I really hope it's walls and then ceiling. Hopefully I get this room done by Friday. We shall see. Alrighty, so as you know, last night I did all the priming in my makeup room and I'm ready to work on it again tonight, but I went to check on my paint situation for the room and I don't have enough paint to do the whole room, which sucks because our stay-at-home order has been extended till June 2nd and it's only May 19th. So that's upsetting. Oh well. Maybe I'll be able to like call in the order if that's a thing. I don't know if that's a thing, but we can try. Yeah, so tonight I'm gonna try to do knockdown on the ceiling. We will see how that goes. Not sure if it's gonna go good or if it's gonna go terribly, but I will share it with you guys. I don't think it's gonna pick up if I live stream it, but who knows? We will see. I don't think I'll live stream it. If the first little bit works out, then I'll start a live stream, but if not, I'll just do it and then show you after. Yeah. A little bummed out that I didn't have paint because I would have done the walls and then the ceiling. But at least I can do the ceiling. I'm not stuck. So, well, let's get to it. Alrighty, so I just used my sea sponge and I stippled a bunch of watered down mud onto the ceiling. So it's got these little like peaks that stick down. So when I go over with my trowel after, it'll knock down the stuff that's hanging and give it that nice textured ceiling look. Hopefully. This is my first time doing it, so we will see if it works or not. But yeah, here's to hoping. So this is like a huge squeegee thing I have, and then I just go against the ceiling like so, very lightly, and then just scrape across to get the knockdown texture, like so. There's quite a few blobs of you can see quite a few blobs there. I'm not sure if I like how it is here, but it's what I got. So maybe I'll go over that spot again, because as you can see, all the little holes where I actually dabbed. And then over here, I went a little more thorough. Over here as well. I don't know, maybe the blobs are okay, maybe not. Who knows? If I don't like it, I'll go back over it. Still have to knock down that, but it's not dry enough yet. Looks pretty decent. Alrighty, so it is time to paint this room. I have the ceiling all taped off. I'm gonna cap that with a piece of sand and ply and paint it, but we don't have that yet, so I will deal with that once we do it. But I'm gonna paint the walls, and I've got my stuff finally. I'm going to use Sherwin-Williams Krypton, right there, yeah. I'm gonna use this nice blue, light bluey gray. So when I do makeup and my photos in here, it won't alter the color of the makeup that I'm doing. So it's all neutral tones on the wall. So it'll make it nice and bright when I do videos and all of that stuff. So I am going to get painting, and I will show you this room once it's all done. So the makeup room is all done and painted, as you can see. It's a nice gray, bluey gray. I'm really annoyed with this seam right here, as you can see. But it doesn't really matter because that wall is gonna be my display wall. So it's gonna have cubbies, drawers and everything. It's gonna be covered with like a storage system from IKEA. So it should look pretty good, but I really like this color of paint. It looks so pretty. But yeah. Gotta get a door, hopefully this weekend. We can do a door, floor trim, and then I can get my makeup set up in here until the window comes in, and then we can put the window in, trim that, and my makeup room is done. But yeah, it's late, so I'm going to wash up and go to bed.